In an instant, the clear night sky over Washington, D.C.'s Potomac River transformed into a scene of unimaginable tragedy. The worst U.S. aviation disaster in nearly a quarter of a century unfolded when an American Airlines jet and an Army helicopter collided in midair, leaving no expected survivors. The plane, carrying 64 souls, 60 passengers and 4 crew members, had been on its approach to Ronald Reagan National Airport when the unthinkable happened. On the helicopter, 3 soldiers, their routine patrol turned into a nightmare. Emergency services under the guidance of Chief John Donnelly were quick to respond, but the grim reality became apparent. 28 bodies recovered so far, with hopes of finding survivors dwindling. The wreckage, scattered in the Potomac River, tells a silent tale of the disaster. Among the passengers on the jet, young figure skaters returning from a camp, their dreams and ambitions extinguished in the blink of an eye. Their loss, a stark reminder of the fragility of life. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy confirmed that the pilots were experienced and the conditions that night were standard. Yet something inexplicably went wrong. A pressing question looms: why was the helicopter flying in that location? This query, echoed by President Trump, forms a significant part of the ongoing investigation. Across the country, the city of Wichita, Kansas, where the ill-fated flight originated, is in mourning. Officials have expressed their profound grief, their hearts heavy with the weight of the loss. The community, united in sorrow, reflects on the tragic event that has forever altered the lives of so many. In the aftermath of this catastrophe, the nation stands still, grappling with the enormity of the loss. The investigations continue, seeking answers that may provide some solace, some understanding. The pain of this disaster will linger, a poignant reminder of the unpredictability of life. As the days unfold and the search continues, we remember the lost, their lives cut short in a tragic twist of fate. The nation mourns, united in grief, seeking strength and unity. The tragedy over the Potomac River will forever be etched in our collective memory, a grim reminder of the cost of a single moment gone awry. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here, like, subscribe, comment, and share.